atmospheric pressure used in synoptic charts is the hectopascal. 1 hectopascal HPA is equal to. Answer 100 millibars. Number 72. The standard sea level pressure of the atmosphere is. Answer 1013.25 millibars of mercury. Number 73. The observer is at Equator and the celestial body is at the first point of Capricorn. The bearing of the celestial body during meridian transit is. Answer 180 degrees. Number 74. A 1 knot current has approximately the same effect on a given surface area as a. Answer 10 knot wind. Number 75. What is the circumference of the Earth at the equator of the equatorial radius is taken at 3,444 nautical miles? Answer 21,639.29 miles. Number 76. What is the latitude of a place where the Sun is exactly at the zenith of the observer at local apparent noon of December 22nd? Answer 23 degrees 27 minutes south. Number 77. What is the latitude of a place where the Sun is exactly at the zenith of the observer at local apparent noon of September 22nd or 23? Answer 0 degree latitude. Number 78. Determine the latitude of a place where the Sun is exactly at the zenith of the observer at local apparent noon of September 22nd or 23. Answer 23 degrees 27 minutes north. Number 79. What is the latitude of a place where the Sun is exactly at the zenith of the observer at local apparent noon of June 21st? Answer 23 degrees 27 minutes north. Number 80. The Arctic Circle is how many degrees north or south of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer 44 degrees 6 minutes north. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.